Hey guys, it's me Sarwar again for a YouTube video. Um, Today I'm gonna be showing you how to upgrade your memory for Dell optiplex 760. I have a 2 GB memory in my computer, as you can see. Okay, computer, and so I want to upgrade it another 2 GB. So let's go and do it. So first thing you need to do, you get a lock there. You have to like pull it. Let's take it out and it down. So just take out the CD drive. There's a lock there, so you can take there. It's the lock. You have to leave it up and put the CD drive away and put it inside so you can have RAM slot on it, motherboard. So this memory, this computer is gonna support the I'm gonna put it like I have a 2 GB memory already in there, so this is gonna be supported like 8 GB memory over there. So I'm gonna getting another 2 GB. So this memory is in 6400 UO. It is 1 GB memory, 2 GB, 1 GB, 1 GB. So I get another 2 GB there. Is 6400 UO. So I'm gonna put that on. So you're gonna do it like this. Okay. That's perfect. Right. Make sure your computer's power is off. Right. Then unplug the power and plug you in power. And back up the computer. Now computer getting on. That means your memory is supported on computer. So what I have to do, like power back everything and close it off. And turn it on. As you can see, my computer is on already. I mean, my memory is gonna be supported. Okay, once your once your computer is on, it's gonna be until the press F1 key because UV has been changing memory already. So you have to do on your keyboard, press F1 key. So now the Windows is gonna be started. Let's put the load up. Sorry about it, kind of picture quality is too bad. Alright guys, so now I'm in computer right now, so what I'm gonna do, I have to go start. Sorry, two things here. Go start. Switch for load up. Okay, go to start and go to computer and go to properties, and you're gonna see like your computer systems. Like, let me see in my computer system. I know you can see it. Hide on it. Sorry about it. You cannot see because it's okay. I got a 4 GB memory and Intel supported 4 GB. So that's how you're gonna send your computer upgrade to computer memory. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you have some problem. Alright, subscribe in my channel. Peace.